Hi everyone, Zee Tamil here from Chennai Event Emcees, Entertainers and Professionals, Event MC, MC Trainer, MC Manager and the founder of the above brands. These days, whenever we meet our client, what we do is we set up a meeting using Google Calendar, and that's how we start our meeting. So what are the basic advantages and what is the procedure to create a meeting through Google Calendar? All you need to do is open your Google Calendar, that is calendar.google.com, and then you need to click on the date when you want to set the meeting, and you will have the option create a meeting, and then you can set the agenda for the meeting, the timing, and you can add the recipients like you can add the members, and also by default it will give you Google Hangout. What I can say, Google Meet link. So these days, earlier we used to call Google Hangout. These days it's Google Meet. It will also give you a Google Meet link where you can meet. So these are the basic things. So once you create all these things, it will also ask you if you like to send a reminder or if you like to send a notification to the members. For example, over the email address you have added over there, they'll be getting a notification that gets added automatically to their Google Calendar. So this is the advantage of using a Google Calendar for Google Meeting. And usually what I do when my clients send the Google Meet link, I just share the link with my team members. But of late, what I have realized is instead of sharing the link to them, it's good that I add them as a member in the Google Calendar itself, so that they can directly come to the meeting. There are two advantages. One is they need not wait for the host to let him inside the meeting. That's the first advantage. Second, once they directly come into the meeting, it automatically means that they are one of our team members. Even the client or the event managers, they need not think who is this new person who is joining it. So these are the basic advantage of using Google Calendar, and also adding the team members, adding the email address in the Google Calendar invite. Thank you so much, MC Thamizharasan signing off. You can contact me on my WhatsApp number 900-308-7198, alternate number 86102-57395. You can get to know more about us in our website virtualeventemcees.com. You can watch our videos in our YouTube channel Virtual Event Emcees and also Chennai Event Emcees, and you can like our Facebook pages Virtual Event Emcees and Chennai Event Emcees to get regular updates about our events.